Have you ever watched a great movie and thought, I have an idea for a story like that? The challenge isn't coming up with ideas. The challenge is turning those ideas into a screenplay that keeps audiences engaged from the first scene to the last. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Screenwriting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Screenwriting is both an art and a craft. Unlike novels, screenplays rely heavily on visual storytelling, dialogue, and structure. The good news is that once you understand the fundamentals, you can begin transforming your ideas into scripts that are entertaining, emotionally engaging, and ready for the screen. Here's a step-by-step approach to writing a screenplay. Step number 1, start with a strong core idea. Every screenplay begins with a compelling concept. Ask yourself what makes your story interesting and unique. Can you summarize it in 1 or 2 sentences? For example, a story about a struggling musician trying to save a family business is more focused than simply saying it's about a musician. A clear premise gives your screenplay direction and helps you stay focused as you write. Step number 2, create memorable characters. Audiences connect with characters before they connect with plot. Give your main character a goal, a motivation, and obstacles standing in the way. Think about what they want and why it matters to them. The most engaging characters are often flawed, because flaws create opportunities for growth and conflict. A strong character arc can turn a simple story into an unforgettable one. Step number 3, build a solid story structure. Most successful screenplays follow a basic structure. The beginning introduces the characters and the central problem. The middle raises the stakes and creates challenges. The ending delivers resolution and transformation. While you don't have to follow a formula exactly, understanding structure helps ensure your story maintains momentum and keeps viewers invested. Step number 4, outline before you write. Many beginner screenwriters jump directly into writing scenes and then get stuck halfway through. An outline acts as a roadmap. List the major story beats, turning points, and important scenes before writing the script. This doesn't mean every detail must be planned, but having a framework makes the writing process much smoother. Step number 5, focus on visual storytelling. Screenplays are meant to be seen, not read like novels. Instead of describing what characters are thinking, show it through actions, expressions, and behavior. For example, rather than writing that a character feels nervous, show them tapping their foot, avoiding eye contact, or checking their watch repeatedly. Visual storytelling is one of the most important skills a screenwriter can develop. Step number 6, write realistic dialogue. Good dialogue sounds natural without being boring. People don't always speak in complete sentences, and they often imply more than they say directly. Listen to conversations around you and pay attention to rhythm and word choice. Each character should have a distinct voice. When dialogue feels authentic, audiences become more immersed in the story. Step number 7, raise the stakes. Conflict drives drama. As your story progresses, make challenges more difficult and consequences more significant. If the protagonist fails, what happens? Why should the audience care? Increasing tension keeps viewers engaged and makes the eventual resolution more satisfying. Step number 8, rewrite and refine. The first draft is only the beginning. Most professional screenplays go through multiple revisions. Read your script carefully and look for scenes that drag, dialogue that feels unnatural, or plot points that need strengthening. Don't be afraid to cut scenes that aren't serving the story. Great screenwriting often comes from rewriting. Step number 9, get feedback and keep learning. Once you've completed a draft, share it with trusted readers or fellow writers. Fresh perspectives can reveal strengths and weaknesses you may not notice yourself. Accept constructive criticism as part of the process. Every screenplay teaches valuable lessons that improve your next one. Building a simple story concept. Imagine you have an idea about a young chef who dreams of opening a restaurant. That's a start, but it's not yet a story. Add a goal. She wants to save her family's struggling diner. Add obstacles, financial problems, competition from a large chain restaurant, and self-doubt. Suddenly, you have conflict, stakes, and a character journey. This process can be applied to almost any story idea. Another useful exercise is writing a 1-page summary of your screenplay before starting the script itself. If the story works in summary form, it's much easier to expand into a full screenplay. HowExpert Tip: Enter every scene. Late and leave. Early. One common screenwriting mistake is starting scenes too early and ending them too late. Begin scenes as close as possible to the important action and leave once the purpose of the scene has been accomplished. This keeps your script moving and maintains audience engagement. When you understand story structure, character development, visual storytelling, and revision, screenwriting becomes much less intimidating. Like any creative skill, it improves through practice. Every script you write helps you become a stronger storyteller. Your challenge: take one story idea you've been thinking about and write a one-sentence premise today. Then create a simple outline with a beginning, middle, and end. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on getting your story out of your head and onto the page. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Screenwriting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.